If we're going to solve this by quadratic formula, we need to get everything on one side of the equation. Now I'm going to put everything on this side because I noticed that we have 7x squared compared to negative 1x squared, and I really want my term, the x squared term, to be positive. So I'm going to add x squared to each side. I'm going to get rid of this 2x, negative 2x, by adding 2x. So I add 2x here. I'm going to get rid of that 4 by subtracting 4, and then I'll subtract 4 here. So these cancel, and these cancel, and these cancel, and you get 0 equals 7x squared plus 1x squared is 8x squared. 3x and 2x is 5x. Negative 9 minus 4 is negative 13. And so now we know A is going to be 8, B is 5, and C is negative 13. So if B is 5 and we have negative B, we're going to write negative 5 plus minus. Now B squared is 5 squared, so that's going to be 25 minus 4. And then we're going to do A times C here. Now A times C, that's 8 times negative 13, and that's going to be negative, I believe it's 104. 8 times 13, yeah, 104. Okay, so now all that's over 2a. A is 8, so 2 times a is 16. From here, I'm going to bring this over here now. We have negative 5 plus minus square root. We have 20. Remember, we have to multiply before we subtract. So 25, we're going to write that down. And then we have to, let's determine, are we going to add something to 25 or are we going to subtract? Well, here I see 2 negatives. So if we see 2 negatives, that means we're going to add. And so now let's take 4 times 104, which is 416. And all that is over 16. From here, negative 5 plus minus 25 plus 416 is 441. And all of that is over 16. And now we're going to take the square root of 441. And so the square root of 441, let's see, that's going to give us, what's going on here? Okay, that's going to give us 21. So negative 5 plus minus 21 over 16. Now I'm going to come over here, and we have negative 5 plus 21 divided by 16. That's going to give us something. And then we have negative 5 minus 21 divided by 16. Negative 5 plus 21 is 16. And 16 divided by 16 is 1. That's one solution. Negative 5 minus 21 is negative 26. And then divided by 16 could give you a decimal. Or we just write it in fraction form, but we want to make sure we reduce it. This is going to be negative 13 over 8. And that's our other solution.